I agree with you, Andrew. I think it's something I've seen over the last 10 years that we can actually cater for every business, really. We've got such a wide range, haven't we, of different opportunities, which is, we talked about the game changer sites, which is the larger stuff, but the smaller office suites, the little business units. And one of the things that I feel is just so important after the 12 months that we've just been is the startup businesses, really keen to attract those into the county and make sure they're supported.
Yeah, and that then builds you kind of economic resilience. So heaven help us what comes next. But, if it's recovery, it's probably going to be a bit bumpy. It just means that Worcester's the kind of place that you perhaps wouldn't think of initially, but suddenly when you realise what's here, the connectivity that we've got, that Birmingham-Bristol corridor, the access into airports, HS2. So just looking outside the region, suddenly you realise actually this is a great location, and we do see quite a variety of sectors. So we haven't really got one specialist area, but then that builds a very different skills and population base. We've still got a very good manufacturing history here, and therefore those kind of skilled people are in that labour force, and they're sort of there and willing. So it really opens up that opportunity to think, actually, perhaps coming out of the southeast, you might not know the county, but actually there's a lot here and a great thriving business community that works together.
I think the thing that I've been impressed about being involved with the Worcestershire LEP on the board of directors is really the vision, the 20-year vision, and it's great that we can actually come through the last 12 months and really look and say, okay, what's this county going to look like in 10, 15, 20 years, which I suspect not every region is doing really, but that's a theme I know that you're keen to continue.
Yeah, very much so. You can start to predict some of those longer term trends, being able to communicate to some of the businesses who probably have been business planning on a 1 week, 3 week, 3 months, but actually now being able to get your head at it, you can kind of see where some of those opportunities are, and that's probably where the Bigger Than Technology Accelerator starts to capture some of those exciting new ideas, some of the alumni that we're starting to see out of that, whether it's Plinks, who are working with HS2, they're at now 20 people, and they're starting to come to you saying, right, okay, we can't be in this sort of incubator space anymore. We now need to be in a proper office, with our sort of staff that's growing at a rate, and those are the companies that we really got in the county that are really exciting.